Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. I'm doing a quick video for you guys. Today we're going to remove the compressor on this 2012 Range Rover Evoque and rebuild the compressor coil. Also, we're going to remove the old receiver Drier and install a brand new one. But before we remove the coil, we're just going to check the compressor to make sure that it don't jam before we remove it. So guys, here is the compressor located under the alternator. Just checking it now. If you're new on this channel, please subscribe and hit that post notification bell so you will never miss a video. Guys, we are going to remove this guard. Remove the guard, and this is the compressor here. Guys, we are going to remove the bumper. Guys, this is the condenser and the guys, so we remove the coil. This is the pulley wheel and the clutch, and this is the coil that we remove. Compressor over here. Guys, what I'm gonna do is rebuild the coil, change the wire inside of it. Guys, this is the coil rebuild. New wire inside of it. The compressor is ready to install on the vehicle. We fit the coil, pulley wheel and the clutch. Guys, this is the old receiver Drier. It is new receiver Drier. The bumper finish fit up back. So I'm gonna start the engine now and turn on the AC. Turn on the AC. So guys, we already pressurized vacuum. It's time now to regas the system. Compressor running. Guys, we finished regas the system. Going to check inside right now. Oh, AC blowing coal. Another successful job from Kirk School Air Auto. Guys, remember to like and share this video. And if you're new on the channel, please subscribe and hit that bell so you will never miss a video. Until next time guys, peace out.